Hey Google, turn on the studio lights. I just headed out to get a snack, and on my way back I just saw through the front door there's something waiting for me. There's a little package over there, so let's have a look what it is. As you're editing today's video, I hope you like it. Ordered some things from Temu, or however you say that. Saturday, 2 weeks ago I ordered, so it's 12 days since order until delivery. It's not too bad, considering it came all the way from China, I think. I'm not gonna get that loose. None of these things are really expensive things, it's just camera accessories basically, but I'm quite excited to have it. These are for the Action 5 Pro that I'm shooting on at the moment, mounted to my desk. But I've been struggling so much to get the mounting adapter that goes on there at the bottom, the magnetic one, so I can just have like a couple of places that I can mount it quick. That's the point of it. But I couldn't get any stock in South Africa basically, not even through Orms, my camera shop. They said they might have one somewhere in a warehouse or something, but I mean, I want like a couple. So I ordered 5. So let's see if it works. I'm just going to unbox the one. The nice thing about this one is it's got the magnetic strip at the top, and then that can actually remove because it's just a normal 1/4 inch. And then this can go onto any camera. And then this part goes onto the camera, and it's also got the normal GoPro opening from the bottom. So there you can see it's folding out like that. And this mounts to a 1/4 inch as well. Quite a nice design, I must say. Let's see if it works. It does not work. That's really unfortunate. It said Action 5. It'll work for other cameras, so it's not completely useless. Next. So this is iPhone magnetic mount. So this goes at the back of the MagSafe iPhones, and then it's got the 1/4 inch and mounting places on there. So you can mount this to like a mount and then just put your phone there. Comes with 2 3M magnetic stickers as well if you don't have MagSafe. Next. This is quite a cool thing, really cheap, 7 rand, not even $1/2. Like Velcro, in a long roll up like this, and then you can just cut off whatever you need and use it for organizing wires and stuff. This is a NATO rail adapter, and then you can mount 1/4 inch and the bigger thread as well. Not sure what that size is. Next up we have this one. I saw it online actually on a YouTube video, some other guy that was using this. So you use it to actually wrap like your camera and things, and it's like a self-adhesive cloth. I couldn't get any in South Africa, and so I ordered through Temu. It does actually stick. For example, if I want to wrap my knife, it's got like self-adhesive, so the inside needs to stick to the outside. So it's more like just wrap something inside and put it in a bag, and then it will stay. It's like some type of cable organizers or something. So it's like a small thing like this, and it opens, and then you can put a cable in there, and this then mounts to like a table. They give 2-way tape for that. I thought it was magnetic, but 2-way tape. So that's everything. Really bummed about this adapter for the Action 5 Pro. I'm not sure where I'm gonna get. I've been waiting for this now for like the 2 weeks. Anyways, cheers.